Telegram code not received, how to fix. So if you're not receiving the code on Telegram, right, how do you fix it? First of all, open up Telegram. Let's say you're trying to log into a certain account, but Telegram will normally give a call because this time it has been changed to a call. So to verify that call, you just have to make sure that it's the same SIM is inserted on the phone where you're trying to log in, because it will automatically detect that call and will try to log in to you to that account. Now if it doesn't, then you'll find an option to request an SMS after you have done this, right? So just select SMS and check if you have received the code on SMS. Now sometimes you might not get it on SMS because sometimes the code gets sent to other device where your Telegram account is still logged in. So if Telegram detects that your account is still logged in on your computer or browser, you might want to check from those devices and see if you receive the code there. If it still doesn't, not try from the same option over and over again and install the Telegram app completely and reinstall it. And last but not the least, if nothing works, you can try to use this version of Telegram, which is Telegram X, that is available both on Play Store as well as also App Store. Just install the application and just try to log in, and this app might actually let you log in. So this is not another third-party app, this is the app from Telegram developer themselves. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.